ready to amplify your crypto trading game on Kraken. First, head over to Kraken.com and sign up for an account. If you haven't already, you'll need to complete the verification process, which typically involves providing personal information and uploading identification documents. This is crucial for accessing margin trading features. Next, fund your Kraken account. You can deposit funds via bank transfer or by sending cryptocurrency from another wallet. Ensure you have sufficient funds to meet the initial margin requirements for your intended trades. Now, navigate to the trading interface and select the margin tab here. You'll find a list of available trading pairs that support margin trading. Note that not all pairs are available for margin trading. Choose your desired leverage. Kraken offers various leverage options such as 2x, 3x, 4x, and 5x. Remember, leverage amplifies both your potential profits and losses, so choose wisely. Select your order type €, market, limit, or stop loss €, and enter the quantity you wish to trade. Stop loss orders are vital for managing risk, as they automatically close your position if the price moves against you. Keep a close eye on your margin account overview. This displays your collateral, margin level, and liquidation price. If your margin level falls below a certain threshold, your positions may be automatically liquidated to cover potential losses. Before executing a trade, analyze market trends using technical indicators and charts to make informed decisions. Don't blindly follow the crowd. Develop your own trading strategy. Once you're confident, execute your trade. Monitor your positions regularly and adjust your stop-loss orders as needed to protect your investments. Finally, remember that margin trading involves significant risk. Always practice proper risk management techniques, such as diversifying your portfolio, carefully sizing your positions, and controlling your emotions. Happy trading!